Hi, how's it going? This right here is my personal way of having my own style of Subway for myself, you know. And so yeah, I got right here some lettuce, tomatoes, maybe cut up some oranges so I can snack on. Subway doesn't have oranges. Anyways, and so typically what I like to do is I get some bread. I already put the mayo on it, but yeah, I get some bread, spread some mayo. I take like a piece of lettuce, a couple of these beautiful tomatoes. The tomatoes, you gotta make sure you get them on the vine. The really cheap tomatoes, they're just, I don't know, they're really gross and they make you sick. I don't know, they make me sick. So, throwing on a couple tomatoes right there, as you can see, it's beautiful. And then, we like to put on some honey ham. This is the ham I prefer. I've tried some other brands. They're not as good. Sometimes you can get this one for a pretty good deal, like $3. It's typically around $4, but I know a little pricey, but I mean, if you get the cheap stuff and you're not going to eat it, I mean, it's not worth it. So, cheddar cheese, I just go generic. It's all the same. Nothing new. But yeah, I just cut up a few slices of cheese. My roommate's knife here. And yeah, that's how I roll. But as you notice, this side of the kitchen is nice and clean. Don't look over there. That's my roommates. Roommates, bad idea. Don't ever have it. If you can live somewhere without having roommates, I'm just kidding. I love my roommates. But anyways, so one slice of cheese. I usually just do about two nice thick slices, and I throw the other side on, and bam. Sometimes I like to put a nice slice down the middle. Oh yeah. And that is a high-class sandwich. Put some oranges on the side. Voila. Let's see what I need. Maybe like that. Crumbs everywhere. Anyways, thanks for watching.